Hey, do you copy paste? Tell me honestly. Keep your hand over your heart and ask yourself, do I copy paste? Well, you must have come across a question that is, tell me something about yourself. Maybe for a job interview or for a career growth, whatever the case may be, you might have come across this number one question that is being asked in any interview. Tell me something about yourself. And now I'm going to share with you a template which is largely used by perhaps everyone. This template would have a lot of blanks and you have to fill in by your own details. So I'm going to give you an example so as to how I would do if I have to copy paste that given template which has been used by perhaps everyone. Well, the template goes something like this. Hello, my name is blank, that is Divas, and I am from Dehradun. I am a coach. I did my schooling from Brightlands School. I got 89% in class 10th and 92% in class 12th. My hobbies are listening to music and reading books. Boom! Did you answer something similar? Yes or no? Did you copy paste? Yes or no? You might have changed few things here and there, but the format, the layout, the structure would have been something similar. Yes or no? Well, my dear friend, understand, if you copy paste and give answers like this in your interview, you would never be able to differentiate yourself from the others. When you say that, yes, I'm unique, I'm different from others, then your answer should speak for itself. So now I'm going to share with you my secret template which have been used by more than 50,000 people who have attended my live workshops. The secret template is super powerful and it works like a magic for everyone. So now sip some water, take a deep breath in and relax, because now you are going to listen to something so powerful that will blow your mind. The template goes something like this. My name is Divas and I love to help people become better in their personal and professional life. Now, if you analyze these lines, how I have structured the first part. In the first opening sentence, I use my name. Instead of saying that myself Divas, I would say my name is Divas. And the next part, instead of talking about my designation, which people generally do, you may be a manager, you may be a vice president, you may be a student, barely matters. Talk about what you are passionate about. Talk about what you love doing. For example, I love to help people become better in their personal and professional life. So that is the first chunk. Your name and what you love to do. You love to help people, you love to help organizations with what? The second part, I would go that as a career and life coach, I work with corporates, government bodies, and educational institutions. Now, in this segment, I'm specific. I'm being specific when I say as a career and life coach, because in the first paragraph, I said that I love to help people grow in their personal and professional lives. How? As a career and life coach. Now I'm being specific. Now I talk about my designation. Sounds logical? And then I also showcase how widely I work, from government to colleges to schools to corporates, whatsoever. So talk about your breadth. I mean, how widely you work. The next part, I would say that with my roots in Dehradun, instead of saying that I belong to Dehradun, I am from this place, that's okay, nothing wrong with it. But just to be unique, just to be different, try out new ways of saying the same thing. So I would say with my roots in Dehradun, I owe my academic strength to Brightlands School that has instilled deep-rooted values in me. Now, why do I emphasize on this? You may have done your schooling from ABC, PQR, XYZ school. That barely matters unless it is a name which everyone knows. For example, Brightlands, although a famous school in India, in Dehradun, it's known to many people, but still, I would talk about that what value the school has added in my life than just talking about that I did my schooling from XYZ school. Barely matters. Sounds logical? So talk about what value that school has added in your life. For me, my academic strength and my deep-rooted values was something which I imbibed from my school. Further, I go and would speak about that I'm indebted to IIM Kashipur for teaching me management and how to work hard. Now, instead of saying that I did my MBA from IIM Kashipur, I would rather say that I learned management and I learned how to work hard, because the 2 years at a B school makes you work really, really hard. Yes or no? Going further, thanks to CAV Australia for sharpening my professional skill set and certifying me to be a master career practitioner. I again thank my professional body, that is CAV Australia, that enabled me to work on my skills of counseling and training and empowering people. So again, what I have learned from my professional bodies around, which I have enrolled with, I thank them. Lastly, I talk about that with an experience of training more than 2 lakh individuals, I look forward to impact 1 million lives in the next 2 years. That shows vision, that this person knows where he's heading. Many a times people sound confused that I don't know what will happen. Life is so unpredictable, you see. Don't say all this. You should have a plan in your mind that how do you plan to go ahead in your organization, in your career. Don't say that I plan to find a new job after joining your company. Come on, can you say that? You cannot, right? Never, never, never do that. So this was my secret template which would help you create a path for your success. Let me know your thoughts, that how did you find this template and how much relevant it is for you. And also, I know what you are thinking. So what about us? What about freshers? This one was for experienced people. Yes, I know. So stay tuned to my channel and I would come up with my next video on tell me something about yourself for freshers. Till then, stay awesome, stay productive.